Hello guys, we'll see how to download the Jenkins and how to install the Jenkins right in your window machine. So here we have the URL and this is the URL. Okay, so I'll share the URL in the description of the video, and from here you can download the cloud-based Jenkins. Okay, so you need to scroll down. Here you can see the link download for the Windows. You can see the link here, download for the Windows, and you need to just click here. Okay, and it will get downloaded here. So I already have this file, so I'll pause this one. Okay, I'll cancel also. Okay, I have already downloaded this file, cloud-based Jenkins distribution.zip file. So you need to extract this file and it will convert it into the cloud-based Jenkins distribution. So here you have this file, cloud-based Jenkins distribution.msi file, and you can download it from this link, cloudbees.com products cloud-based Jenkins distribution /download. I'll share this URL in the description of the video, and you need to scroll down and just click here, download for the Windows, and it automatically get downloaded into your download folder here, and just extract this file. It will get downloaded here and you need to extract. And now just double click here. You need to do some, it's a normal the window installer, or you can say it's look like a normal exe file. You just need to click next, and it will get installed. Okay, so here you can see it will get installed into the C program files x86 cloud-based Jenkins distribution. If you want to change the location, you can change it, no problem. Okay, and then you need to just click on the install button. Okay, so after clicking on the install, you can see the status. It is still in the progress. Once this progress was finished, you can see the finish button. You just click on the finish. So the moment when we click on the finish button, automatically this URL will be launched, localhost 8080. Okay, so localhost 8080. If it is not opened manually, if it is not open automatically, you need to launch this URL, http localhost colon 8080. Okay, you just keep on refreshing this page, because sometimes it takes time to load a localhost 8080 URL. So you need to refresh again and again until this page get loaded properly. So here you can see it is loading now. Okay, so here you can see this page, unlock cloud-based Jenkins distribution. So what we need to do, we need to just copy this URL and paste it into the new browser anywhere, and we'll get this key. Just copy this key and paste it in this field, this password field. Okay, and just click on the continue button. Okay, so once we click on the continue button, you will navigate or you land on this page, register cloud-based Jenkins distribution. Here you need to select the option 1, not the option 2. So just select the option 1, activate online. Click here, and you need to enter the first name and the last name. So what I'll do, I'll just enter the first name, last name, test. Okay, and any email ID you can do it. Any email ID you can write it. I'll just use this email ID. Any email ID you can use. Okay, company is, you can say, CTS. Accept the license agreement, just click on the submit. Okay, so here we have the customized CloudBeans Jenkins distribution, and your Jenkins is giving the suggestion to you to install some suggested plugins. So we need to install some plugins also. So it's better to use the install suggested plugins. Just click here, and it will get started. These plugins will installed in your Jenkins. So you can see the Git client plugin is installed, SSH client credential plugin installed, pipeline installed, right? So there are some plugins which is required. Git plugin is there, right? So okay, so we'll wait until all the plugins um, get installed into your Jenkins. Okay. Okay. So here we have the incremental upgrade available. If you get this page, guys, if you get this page, if you do not want to upgrade your Jenkins, just skip it. So I'll recommend to skip. I will recommend here to just click on the skip. Otherwise, it will get more time to install the or to upgrade to the new version. So just hit on the skip button. Okay. So here you can enter the test any password. I'm just entering my password. Full name is automation. I'll say auto, and email ID is same. This is my email ID. Okay. And make sure, guys, the username and password which you are entering here, okay, you should remember that username and password also. Okay. And make sure, the important thing is that you can have the two button here in the bottom right. So you have the two button. One button is, one link is continue as admin, second is save and continue. So you need to click on the save and continue. Don't click on continue as admin. Don't click, guys, please don't click on the continue as admin. Just hit save and continue. Just click on the save and continue. So click here. Okay, and here you have this field where the HTTP localhost 8080 is URL is there, and just click on the save and finish. Okay, now click on start using CloudBees Jenkins distribution. So here you can see your Jenkins is installed properly on your machine. So we'll do the manage Jenkins configuration. Okay, we'll do another configuration and the job configuration in next video. Okay, so we'll do all these configuration, as well as we'll create a job, Jenkins job, and we'll do some configuration also. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you.